It isn't every day that you see standard cab EMDs on the CV. Hey y'all, and welcome back to another Railfan Micah Turner adventure. One afternoon, we find a doubled up L668 and rock train taking the siding at Glidden, awaiting the oncoming E090. In the consist is a pair of SD40-3s, also known as SpongeBob cabs for the square cab shape. The pair is the power for the rock train in the consist and is en route to Erwin, Tennessee with rock from the former East Yard and Corbin to help with the Clinchfield rebuild. A little over a week later, we find ourselves on the northern portion of the Clinchfield as WO84 is making its way back towards Russell with the cars we had seen loaded on L668. Apart from coal traffic from McClure and the daily local freight to Eastman Chemical, this portion of the Clinchfield doesn't see much action at the moment. We anchored down at Elkhorn City and awaited the oncoming work train at the former meeting grounds of the Clinchfield and C&O. After Elkhorn City, we stopped in at McVicker before heading to Shelby. McVicker is in the process of being torn down, and we've documented this process for some time now for a future video. We met up with fellow railfans Christian Lowe of the YouTube channel The C&O Railfan, as well as the great Everett Young in Shelby, where WO84 would tie down until late that night. Meanwhile, once the sun set, we caught a little more action as L200 rolled in from Kingsport. Thank you all for tuning in to this short chase across the former Clinchfield. If you liked what you've seen, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, from the coalfields, this is Railfan Micah Turner. God bless y'all. Mm-mm.